How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. If you're encountering issues such as your TikTok Shop, which I am looking at right now, not appearing on your TikTok, the following ways are possible ways that you could use to fix this. The first way is to look through your different TikTok Shop, just scroll through. Maybe you're going to find one like this one, a live stream that are selling or promoting a specific product. You could also sometimes see some videos that are actually like this one. You can see that there are links available over here. So you can easily select those links, which will of course force your TikTok to open the TikTok Shop and view the product that you want to see. And hopefully by doing that, the TikTok option over here will now be available for you to buy and different things. There's also the live, like I mentioned earlier, this video. There's also live streams. So maybe you could click on the live on the top left and look for live stream that are actually selling different products so that you could force your TikTok to make it show up. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.